It will be a busy day today. First is we are on our way to Minglanilla to visit Arienza Land's Ricksville Heights RFO properties, single detached. And with me here is my lovely wife. She's taking notes for me. I have a secretary. She's taking notes about our schedule for the week, which includes
BC
brokerage training, brokerage lots site visits, several lots to visit. We have Lapu-Lapu, we have Cebu City, we have Talamban, Cebu City, we
South
have,
and Bohol.
Yep, Bohol. Her engagement here, I'm calling it trial by fire because it's her first week and we are engaging in a lot of things already.
Yes.
She's quite busy here. She's not looking at the camera because she's taking notes. So many. Anyway, once we arrive in Arienza Land, today is a holiday. Once we arrive there, hopefully it is open and we can visit. In the past, myself, I've been focusing solely on pre-selling projects. It's much easier to sell because it's way more affordable. But today, we are going to upgrade our skills. We will try to see if we can sell RFO projects and brokerage projects. So first step is go and visit those projects. We have arrived in Ricksville Heights. We will still look around if we have a model
Architect.
Nadris architect. Hey, they do have a model house, and we are going to look at it. This is Architect Mark, and we have asked for assistance so that we can view the model unit. And it's quite hot here. Kane. This is the Harmony. This is the Harmony unit. Action!
Hi, I'm Marjorie from Filipino Homes. That was the master bedroom.
So that was the outtakes of our vlog in Ricksville Heights, and I'm posting the link below of the actual vlog of the 1 Harmony unit RFO, 4 Breeze units, 3 of which is nearing RFO, and 1 is pre-selling. Alright? Unfortunately, we're not able to go inside the Breeze unit because we have another errand. We are going to our other errand. I'm not gonna say bye. I don't know yet where we'll go next after this errand. But if I will not record more, so this is goodbye. Bye.
Bye.